I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Discover account, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the dispute process, collect all relevant information including your account number, transaction details, and any supporting documents. This will help streamline your communication with customer service. Step 2. Log into your Discover account. Access your Discover account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the Transactions section to find the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Step 3. Initiate the dispute. Once you locate the transaction, look for an option to dispute the charge. This may be labeled as Report a Problem or Dispute Transaction. Follow the prompts to submit your dispute. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required fields explaining why you are disputing the withdrawal. Be clear and concise, and attach any supporting documents if needed. Double-check your information to avoid delays. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your email for updates from Discover. If you don't hear back within a week, consider calling customer service for a status check. Disputing a withdrawal can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you resolve the issue smoothly. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.